The story of Lodonga Minor Basilica in Uganda, Yumbe district is intertwined with the rich history of Catholicism in the region. The genesis of the story traces back to the missionary efforts of the Catholic Church in East Africa during the late 19th and the early 20th centuries. The Catholic Church began its missionary work in Uganda in the late 800s with the arrival of the White Fathers and other missionary groups. These missionaries ventured into the various regions of Uganda, including the remote areas like Yumbe district, to spread the message of Christianity. In Yumbe district, the Catholic faith has taken root gradually among the local population, despite the challenges posed by cultural differences and other religious beliefs. Over time, as many converts joined the Catholic Church, the need for a place of worship became evident. The parish priest, Monsignor Constantine Varga, gives us more insight.
Lodonga as a parish was created in 1927 by the Comboni missionaries, and it was elevated as basilica in 1961 during the time when Father Satori, who is now Venerable Satori, was the parish priest. Lodonga Minor Basilica is the first basilica in sub-Saharan Africa.
In the heart of Yumbe district, amidst the predominantly Muslim population, despite the overwhelming Muslim majority comprising nearly 90%, the parish priest proudly attests of the peaceful means of preaching the gospel.
Yumbe as a district, 90% are Muslims, but we managed to spread the gospel through peaceful means. We preach love, we preach coexistence. We believe in the basilica, we serve humanity. That's how we managed to spread the gospel in the Yumbe district.
The story about Lodonga Minor Basilica speaks volumes about the power of dialogue and cooperation in fostering unity among its diversity, a reminder of a shared humanity that transcends religious boundaries. In Yumbe district, the gospel of peace is not merely preached within the confines of the church, it's lived out daily through harmonious interactions and mutual respect between the Muslims and the Catholic neighbors.
We have many opportunities that even serve the Muslim communities, especially the loans. We have the schools, we have technical schools, we have schools for agriculture, and all these attract them to come closer to us. And this empowers the Muslim communities also, especially the women.
The Catholic Church stands as a pillar of support and service to the entire community. The Catholic Church has embraced its role not only as a place of worship, but also as a beacon of social development and humanitarian aid. Through innovative initiatives such as the agricultural products and community farms, the Church has spearheaded efforts to uplift the livelihoods of residents, irrespective of religious affiliations.
That farm is actually open to the communities around. The community around here is basically composed of the Aringa people, and most of the people here, they are Muslims. So this farm is open to serve this district of Yumbe, which is 90% Muslim. And we see that this is important for us to have some working relationship with them. So in that farm, we have schools, very good primary school, boarding. We have also a secondary school dedicated to Mother Mary, St. Mary's Secondary School. And also in that farm, there is a lot of program to uplift or to help people overcome poverty. So there is microfinance, whereby we get money and give as loans to the community around here. And our main funders have been the Italian Episcopal Conference, but we have also taken loan from Missio Invest, and the loan is still running, whereby we do cultivation, we help people to do cultivation and do business, and then they can return our money.
Today, Lodonga Minor Basilica stands as a statement to the enduring faith of the Catholic community in the Yumbe district. It continues to serve as a place of prayer, reflection, and community for believers in the region. Nora Osende for UCTV News.